Hello, second graders. I hope you're having a great day at home. I'm sorry you have to be quarantined, but I am going to send a few fun things for you to do this week. So this week for music, your first easy thing you get to do is watch the rest of the talent show. So I'm going to send out the YouTube link for the rest of the talent show so you can watch that. The second thing you're going to get to do is you're going to start making your own didgeridoos. And this will probably take you a solid, I would say, 30 minutes to an hour to color all of these images. So you're going to get 2 papers. They're going to get sent home today. And there's going to be lots of Australian images on your didgeridoo, and make sure you take your time and color them really, really carefully so they look really nice. And then you're going to bring these back to school once you're done with your quarantine, and I'm going to help you staple them together and roll them up so it's going to make it look like a real didgeridoo. Okay, I would recommend not rolling it up at home because when you ride the bus, it might get squished. So I would just keep the papers like this, and then when you put them in your backpack, if you want to roll them this way and put a little rubber band around it, that would keep them really, really nice. Okay, I can't wait to see you when you come back. Have fun watching the talent show and have fun making your didgeridoos. See you soon.